Hi, today we are going to learn how to read in Russian. So, let's start. First, vowel reduction. There are 10 vowels in the Russian language. A, I, E, Yo, O, U, I, E, U, Ya. If sound is under stress, then it is read as it is. For example, арбуз, кит, день, ёлка, кот, этот. By the way, if there is yo in the word, the stress will be always under yo. But some letters can be tricky. This is o, ye, ya. If those vowels are not under stress, they become a different vowel. If it's o in under stress position, it becomes closer to a. For example, кот, коты, кот, коты, город, город, молоко, молоко. And children often make mistakes and they write a instead of o. If it's ye or ya in a stressed position, it becomes closer to i. Мяч, мячи, мяч, мячи, лететь, лететь, весна, весна. But in the endings, unstressed ya should be read as ya. For example, темная, темная, красивая, красивая, стая, стая. Second, the hard and the soft signs. Those two letters are not sounds, they are just signs. The soft sign makes the consonant before it soft. For example, ест, есть, ест, есть. Угол, уголь, угол, уголь. Судья, день, путь. Судья, день, путь. And by the way, my name Daria has the soft sign, Daria, Daria. The hard sign makes the consonant before it hard. Сел, съел, сел, съел. Объект, объект, объем, объем. The letters B, V, G, Ž, Z are devocalized if they are found after unvoiced letters, in the end of words, or after the final soft sign. For example, встреча, встреча, автобус, автобус, ложка, ложка, зуб, зуб, обувь, обувь, дождь, дождь, нож, нож, год, год. 4. Vocalization. Devoiced consonants become voiced if they are followed by voiced consonants. For example, вокзал, вокзал, рюкзак, рюкзак, футбол, футбол. But there is an exception. If the voiced letter is V, then the sound remains unvoiced. For example, твой, твой, квартира, квартира. 5. Ца, ца. Ца and ца are usually read as ца. For example, учиться, учиться, мыться, мыться. 6. Буква Г. The letter G in ого and его is pronounced as V. Его, его. Второго, второго. Сегодня, сегодня. 7. Шт, шина are often read as шт, шина. For example, что, что. Конечно, конечно. 8. Сч. Сч is sometimes pronounced as sh. Счастье, счастье. Счет, счет. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Всем пока!